Hi, it's April here from the McDonald Group. I wanted to touch bases with you today about getting the interior of your home ready to put on the market. This is a very strategic part of the listing process, and there are 4 things that I wanted to cover that will really help present your home in the best light possible. So first of all, we talk about how light and bright the house needs to be. So replacing all bulbs, getting the highest voltage possible in all of the lamps and the light fixtures around your home will make it nice and bright and have a very inviting feel and also make it look larger. Second of all, we want it to be smelling amazing. And so deep clean those carpets, get a good house cleaning done throughout the entire house and keep that up while your home is listed. So it's very clean. That's really key for people considering buying your home and living in it someday. Second of all, it's really important to declutter the house. So go through the house room by room. Take anything out that is not useful, that you're not using, that it doesn't add to the value of the room and its beauty, and maybe consider renting a temporary storage facility to put these things away and kind of get them out of sight, so that people can actually see each room as they walk through the home and envision how they might live there and be able to see the house for what it really is. Thirdly, it's really important to kind of clean up all the walls. Make sure that as you remove like personal photographs and those kind of things, put that away so that your privacy isn't invaded in any way. We encourage clients to do that. And then fill in all the holes, the cracks, all that. Touch up the paint. If there's any rooms in your home that are unusual colors that you've painted for specific decor, we encourage you to bring those back to neutral colors. So whites, gray, beige, grayish, that sort of thing. So the palette's very natural and neutral and people can envision their furniture fitting in there. And lastly is the envisioning process. We really encourage you to think about what would the ideal buyer be? Would it be a family? And if it was, then create spaces in the house that a family would be looking for. Maybe it's a place for like the mom or the dad or the parents to have coffee in the morning, places where they might entertain family and friends, have a game night, watch the big game, that sort of thing. Where's the playroom going to go? And create these spaces around the house so that your potential buyers can see how you've used the house or the different ways that they could potentially use it going forward. So those are just a quick 4 items that we think are pretty key in getting the house ready. And so please reach out to Stephen or I if you have any questions. We'd love to help you in any way possible.